Brandy, come on.
Do you see all that stuff? Well, hi. She's kicking her leg. Oh no, that's Brandy's tail.
Brandy, come here. Come. Brandy, come.
Wow. You don't know what to think.
Sensory overload. Sensory overload.
Look at her toes are clenched.
Yeah, curl up.
Hi.
Yeah.
Is this fun? You're kind of lost in there.
Yeah, pretty soon our big movements will help her
Looking at
spin.
lights, aren't you?
Yeah.
Look at all this stuff. I like to see it's having a